Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share about how to find the right journal. So the normally good publishers have this feature available on their website. They call it Journal Finder, and some they call it Journal Suggester. So most of the prestigious publisher have this feature available on their website, so we can find the right journal according to our area of research or our area of interest. So what we need actually to use this feature, we must have a title. So I'm going to show you the example one by one. This publisher is Elsevier, so I'm going to show and demonstrate how we are going to find our right journal according to our research interest. I'm going to perform right now. So let's suppose we have a title of the paper. So we have to copy and paste here, and then we have to also copy our abstract of the paper. So what will actually this journal finder will help us to find a right journal, and then you may type your keywords. Let's suppose in my paper I have gender diversity. It will give you auto option to write a keyword, and let's suppose the second keyword is board diversity. So I will click on that, and you have to select which field you are going to search your the journal. So let's suppose I am interested to see the business management and accounting journals. So I will click on that, and you may have further field in economics, econometrics, and finance. So we will search. So what will happen actually, the journal finder will help us to find the right journals. The journal which is publishing this topic and area of research, we can see that we have a list of several articles, those who are publishing in this area. So what was our actually the title was board diversity related and gender diversity. So what I have done, I have copied the title, abstract, and the keywords into journal finder, and now we can see that we have almost 50 journals in our matching. So you can see that every journal site score, impact factor, the acceptance rate, and their review process, and then same time the time to publication for after the acceptance. So every journal shows about the impact factor, and then some of the having impact factor and the acceptance rate. So you can easily identify that how this journal is relevant to your research. So we have a quite number of list of journals which is relevant to our topic. So this is the right way to find a right journal according to the which fits to the scope of the journal. The same goes to other. You can see that a lot of examples here we have. So we can submit our paper by searching journal finder. You don't have to look for one by one to the journal. So you just have to key in your abstract and the title of the paper. So journal finder will help you to find a right journal, and then you can see the acceptance rate and review process, impact factor, site score, all these features available on journal finder. This is just an example of Elsevier publisher. Same goes to Wiley. Wiley has also a journal finder. What you will do, normally just write in a I will open a page. If you open Google, just write journal finder by Elsevier. You will have a list of different publishers. So you just click on that link, and that's the right way to find out the journal. Same goes to, we have other journal, Wiley, we have Springer, we have the same technique. You have to use title and manuscript, like journal finder is here also in Wiley and Springer. Almost all prestigious publishers have this feature. So this is the way how we select the right journal and see which journal is relevant to our area of research. This is all about the today. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.